tata kasi natutulog si Phoenix. Ayan si Phoenix, natulog. Kantahan natin.
And everywhere far away, the dreams will stay. And someday, after we purchase our fantasies, love will bring you back.
Ano bang mata naman ni noon kay mas kantahan ka na ho? Say hi! We're going to take a nap. Mama will gonna sing a song for you, okay?
And I'm gone. Will you take out all the...
So, natulog na si Phoenix, guys. Ayan na siya. Tulog. I'm gonna cook food for Prince because Prince didn't eat breakfast yet. So, let's go! So, ito yung tuna na wala kasi lang salmon, kaya gagawin natin paksiw kasi favorite ni Prince paksiw. Oh, giduhan na ho ang recipe kay daghan man di ay. Yan, so ito with siya, with coconut, ito paksiw talaga. Ayan. Hindi ko first time ko luto kaya i-try natin kung anong itsura, anong lasa yung rice nila. Oh, ayan. Maglagay tayong tuna. First time kong magluto ng tuna. Ito kay Prince to. Ayan. Kay Prince is paksiw. Mahilig kasi si Prince. Okay. Ito na to. Ayun yung food ni Prince. Paksiw. Ito yung food ni Daddy. Na pinaksiwan na gata. Hindi ko alam kung magustuhan nila yan. First time nila. So, yan. Wala tayong salad today. Later na dinner yung salad. Yan. With rice. Is it?
No.
Very good.
Did you pray? You pray before you go eat?
Thank you for making my tuna soup.
Is it 100%?
100.
Okay. Wow. Good job. So this one kani isud din nato tanan kay nagubag ato ang filter. Pagduha ka buok. Tabangi ko be. Uy, matumba ka bata. Nara. Are you going to help me, Phoenix? Phoenix! Nasa backyard siya guys, nagsunbathing.